Thank you, Mrs. Matera. Mrs. Gourmay for 1 minute.
Dear Commissioner, colleagues, dear citizens, the Istanbul Convention marks a key milestone towards improving the fight against domestic violence. It makes it clear that domestic violence is not a private matter. It is the responsibility of states to prevent violence, protect victims and punish perpetrators. Awareness raising is important, but it is only by creating such a legislative framework, including close monitoring, that states will be able to effectively fight such violence. EU member states need to be at the forefront of the crisis and ratify the Convention so that it can enter into force as soon as possible. We are aware that the steps towards ratification require adaptation in national legislation, which may take time. However, I would like to hear from the Council and the Member States that this ratification process is a priority, that everything will be done so as to swiftly comply with its requirements. The EU and the Council of Europe must be able to send a strong message to other countries saying this is a fundamental issue and we are stepping up. It is high time for concrete actions to follow by words. Thank you very much.
Signora Gurmai,
Mrs. Gourmay.
for you from. There is a blue card from you, from Mrs. Morkunaite.